So, I made a project yesterday, and that was for my regular STEM robotics projects, just like this. And this time, I thought to make an application to read lip sync. Yeah, and so I started the project by in Scratch. I first renamed it, then made sprites, and then configured some camera motions, and then I started my coding for uh, scanning because at first I wanted to make a scanning project because I had no idea about how to make read lip sync or make emojis. So it's like I want to make an AR project, but I don't know how to make it. So I started by writing some lines of codes, as you can see on the screen. Write them a little bit, and actually I had to I took about an hour, a full hour, to just use some few blocks of coding, 8 to 10 blocks, because it's too complicated project. Now the results are like so. Then I actually added some like backgrounds. Now, nextly, I added something like called color detection, and then for that, I actually wasted very much time. And then I did something like made a web page for it so that you guys can try it. Then came to work again for the project, and so it's like I'm still working on it. Uh, but yeah, that's it.